Hello and welcome to Nan Loves Food. I am Ann here today with one of my favorite snacks from Ikea. So I was at Ikea the other day doing some shopping and ran across one of my favorite snacks, and I really had forgotten that this existed. And honestly, I had eaten at Ikea a lot before I even knew that this was a thing. They have these absolutely delicious veggie dogs. And at my store, they're not in like the cafeteria section. They're not like in the food court area. They're actually only sold in that little concession at the front of the store. So that's how it is in my Ikea. I'm on the north side of Indianapolis, and we have one pretty close. So I'm not sure if that's how it is at every store, but these are an amazing, amazing snack. And if you haven't had them before, I highly recommend you go try them. And if you like them, which they're delicious, I actually bought the stuff to make them here at home. So I'll show you some footage of when I was at Ikea and what I got when I was there. And then I'll bring you back here and we will assemble our delicious veggie dogs together. So here are the veggie dogs from Ikea. This is the package that they come in. They're in a standard hot dog bun with a little bit of mustard, some red cabbage, and some crunchy fried onions, which just such a wonderful balance of texture and flavor. They're so yummy. While I was at the store, I did go ahead and purchase the bag. So this is how they come at the store. It's a package of 10. I generally eat about 2 at a time. I'll go ahead and throw the nutrition information up here for you so you can take a look. 2 pieces has 130 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, and 9 grams of protein. So pretty good. The instructions on the package are pretty simple. Basically, you just heat them how you want to. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use my air fryer. We're gonna try about 400 degrees for around 8 to 10 minutes and see how they come out. This is what they look like straight out of the package. They look kind of like a hot dog. All right, after 10 minutes in the air fryer, they've got a nice crispy crust on them. These are just plain old store-bought hamburger buns, nothing special there. I'm using some store-bought Dijon mustard because I like it. Any mustard would do great. I purchased this red sweet and sour cabbage from my local Walmart. My sister says it's a tad sweeter than the stuff that they used at Ikea, but I think it'll be a great substitute. And finally, I did get their brand of fried onions, which I'm sure you don't have to. I can't imagine they're any different than the regular fried onions at the grocery store, but they had these and I needed them, so here we go. That took seriously no more than 15 minutes and they look delicious. I cannot wait to dig in. Yum. They are seriously so good. The veggie dog itself has a really meaty, hearty flavor to it. It's got a lot of lentils in it, so it's got that earthiness to it. The cabbage and the mustard give it a little bit of zing, which I really appreciate. And the cabbage is also bringing a little sweet to the party. The mustard is bringing a little heat to the party because it's Dijon. And then those crunchy onion bits, the perfect amount of savory and crunch. So if you have not had these before, highly recommend, if you're in an Ikea or around an Ikea, go pick up a couple of these. They're delicious, they're super cheap, and I highly recommend you give these a go. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you like easy, no fuss weeknight meals, this channel is for you. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.